Hi there, Sandy. Just trying to cure boredom and writer's block. Yeah, pretty boring, to be honest. I mean, I got like an S, some S's on Osu earlier, but overall it's just not been an easy 2 days for me, at least. So I'm probably doing the wrong thing by attempting this again, but it's been forever since I've tried it, so... Like, ever since that post, I was like, oh, I am... Yeah, I was gonna try some of this off camera, but I'm like, why? Why am I doing this just for myself? So it's better if I do it like this, in a live setting. Thank you, Sanzi. It's more of a worry than stress, but there's always a workaround for whatever's going through. This is the home stretch. It'll be over in 3 months. Do I know QSV? You know, I think he left a long time ago. Yeah, he said something about I don't know, he went to go climb a mountain or something? I'm joking, by the way. I am QSV. Just changed my name to Sil. QSV went to go get milk. And just like my father, he never returned. Man, going to get milk is like the perfect lie. Like, Daddy, what happened to Grandmommy? She went to go get milk. I don't think she'll be back for a while. But little do they know she'll never come back because she's dead. I am very thankful that I'm still getting my runs accepted on SRC. Huge shout out to Ash Mike, by the way. Why did this guy rage on Fortnite? He went to go get milk. Nah, their name's pronounced Ashmikda. It's not Ashmikda. That's what I thought it was at first. But they prefer to be called Ash. It was... Wait, what? Who's Mike? Mike. Wow, I'm so bad at this puzzle. Oh, I see, yeah. Hey, Kirby. Who remembers when it was called Washi? Yep, I know that, but does everyone else? Double box fail. Right, let's get the key piece. Because otherwise if I come back later I have to fight another enemy. There we go. I actually made sure I got it this time. Last time I forgot. Not a speed run, so okay, good. Just had to say that to reassure myself that doing an extra encounter is fine. But ideally I want to breeze through chapter 1 as much as possible, as fast as possible. Just speedrun strats without getting hit. How is there such a thing as over speedrunning? Congrats on the over speedrun. Unfortunately, this is a under speedrun server, not an over speedrun. Besides, the game you completed was not Undertale or Deltarune related, so it would be rejected regardless. You can resubmit when you've done a proper over speedrun. Or however it goes. If you know, you know. Yeah, Chase 2 and... well, the only real problem I have with Chapter 1 is the latter half of it. Because Chase 2, Jebel, sometimes King as well. Don't even ask how I get hit on King. I just do. At least while I'm doing this, for the game dev later, it's actually very good for me to look at the layout and actually understand everything. So yeah, doing this was actually a good idea, instead of jumping straight to game dev. The yes hit run, that's it. Wait, did I already say that? I don't know, I was just so focused on K round. I mean, it is back and forth, really. The overall tone of it hasn't changed, but sometimes I speak calmly, sometimes I speak loudly. Or maybe you're misrepresenting it from the narration version. Because people have a narration version that sounds like they're talking like a robot, whereas in fact, they are not. Wait, what am I doing? Would you want to make a Deltarune fan game as well? Very well. I'll Yeah, this should be good practice. Omni Legend Battlefield. Is that like every legend ever? Well, of course it is, because the prefix omni means every. Is there such a thing as omni-pronouns? No, I'm thinking about it and I can't stop thinking about it. Or is that just they, them, but amplified? Like zia, zin? Or something weird. Omni-pronouns do exist, oh god. What are they? Yeah, Faye, I haven't tried this in a while. So I'm just getting back into it. Laserhead. Doesn't matter what the rest is. Whoa. Don't hit me, thank you very much. Don't hit me, don't hit me. Why did I just do that? That was just... At least running into the blocks here isn't a big deal. Of course. But that's fine, because I only have to fight one. And when I say fight, I mean, well, rearrange and get rid of, because they're a menace. Among to the star? Huh? Stop posting about Among Us! I'm tired of seeing it! My friends on TikTok send me memes, on Discord it's bloody memes. I was in a server, right? And all of the channels in there are just Among Us stuff. I showed my champion underpants to my girlfriend and I looked at the logo and I flipped it and I said, hey babe, when the underpants sus? Ding 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 ding. I looked at the trash can and I said, hey, that's a bit sussy. I'm not even going to say the last bit. Don't ask me how I memorized that entire thing. Speedrun Among Us? Speedrun D's not okay. Man, why am I getting a real kick out of doing this run? Okay. Right, just take it slow here. This isn't a speed run. But you're gonna let me progress? Fuck. The one thing I hate about running this game is that Jevil, King, Birdley, Spamton, and Queen. Nah, you didn't do anything. Hey Rise, you just about missed a terrible absolute failure by RNG. Am I informed there's a new Among Us map coming? I don't play the game, so I don't care. Yep, it was Chase, alright. First time I've been hit there in a while. I was honestly expecting myself to get hit there. I wasn't even, like, trying to prevent it. Could barely even progress through anyway. Too many bullets. Oh, hang on, let me, you know what, just so you can get past those, barriers. Like, those aren't words that I block in my filter. Like, either I need to turn the filters off, or just allow everything to pass through. Wait, those mean the same thing. Turning off the filters means you do allow everything to pass through. I can manage them so there is still restriction for slurs. I mean, yeah, sure, I do have questionable ones blocked out. I'm really good at knowing the pattern. Well, it's funny you should say that because there is no pattern. You can't learn a pattern for something that's completely random. All you can do is just react in the moment. And some of the times just hope for the best. Like this, it's fine. Don't mind since we've
Since we're friends, can you give me more, please? Oh, couldn't you give me more, please? Because we're friends.
Sorry, I'm so... I've always wanted to... I wanted to do that. That just reminded me of it. Sorry. No. I hardly need any, really. I only give it to Rai so we can get past the language barriers. Plus, he's someone I really, really trust. So there you go. It's not that I have distrust in anyone else. It's just that I proceed with caution. Distrust 3 comment section attack. Don't ask for mod, okay? You're not gonna get it. For now, I only need just the one. And I guess myself also, because I can also do moderation action. So in theory, I actually have 2 moderators. If I count myself. Which I don't. "22 runs, and only one of them has made it past chapter 1. In the return to this challenge. Fate finds a way. That might become literal in a minute. Also, thank you all for using my new name. I actually wonder how much time Double Box saves in a speedrun. Can't be any more than half a second, surely. Okay, that's alright. Just need to... You know, if I kill the Ruin, I can have a... Yeah, okay. Nope. Nothing. Did I find that fate finds a way? Fate finds a way as being sus. I mean, I'm given the benefit of the doubt right now, so... Sell UT from Undertale. Took you long enough? actually wonder what to call my meme posting channel. Do I call it Silo? Because it has Sil in it. And it's a mess. It's just so I have somewhere to repost my, the AI videos. It's one of the little extracts. Or meme edits. No, I'm talking about the word silo, not the name Sil. Like the word silo means mess. Or pile of poo. At least I think that's what it is, in the literal sense. Silo is a storage container. Oh. I'm confused. You could say that literally about any container. Ooh, a plastic tub. That's a silo. We're going to be working on game in person. Nice, have fun. Yeah, that's what I get as well. Yeah, I know that because of that thing in The Simpsons where Homer keeps a pig and it has to store its poo somewhere. And then he takes it to a lake and dumps it in. That's what ends up polluting the whole city. I think is that from the movie or was that from an actual episode? Can't remember. It would have to be one of the later ones. The pig poo. Can we not talk about it? It's rather disgusting. If I have to fight the two here, that's fine. Yep, I have to fight them. Right, let's rearrange one. Oh, I got this one. Rearrange. That was the fastest block throw I've ever done. At least I'm gonna have to fight the one later. Also, I might need to change the thumbnail on my Deltarune speedrun. It's not actually 59:15. It's actually 58:59. It's not my proudest 58 something to date. Pipey the Pipe? Nah. No. Nah, there isn't... Omni? What did I just say earlier? I mean, yeah, I knew that. One of those, did we really need to know that scenarios. Alright, timeout time. Refusing to drop the subject. Wait a minute, am I tripping? Do the stars disappear? They just suddenly disappear when you go to the top of the screen. Don't pick on him. I like to think that the roaring in Deltarune will either happen in Chapter 5 or 6. And Chapter 7 is like an epilogue. So that must be the reason why 3, 4 and 5 are being released all at the same time in the next update. Because the end of Chapter 5, or during the end game of Chapter 5, the roaring occurs. Then Chapter 6 is like an aftermath. Or the roaring itself. And of course Chapter 7... that's the end. Sans is already in Chapter 1 and 2. We don't know that yet. You know, it's funny actually how I talk about the roaring. It's actually a very strange coincidence. Do you know why it's such a coincidence? Here, I'll tell you. I'm not going to tell you. Nah, 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 nah. Jill is the only person to go, "Here, have a secret." But I'm not going to tell you. I mean, eventually I will, but not for now. Nah. It's something. That's all I'll say for now. And no, I won't confirm any guesses if you try. Also, I didn't say it was a secret before I went, nah, 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 nah. I said, do you know why it's a coincidence? And I said, I'm not going to tell you. Well, yeah, I've done a no-item death speedrun of it. Fun fact, actually, I beat ULB Phase 1 first try when I first played the game. Phase 2 took me about 3 tries, and Phase 3, well, you would have to have been there, wouldn't you? Undertale Last Breath. That's what it means. My cursor is above the window, and it's actually tricking me into thinking that something's going to fall up. Yeah, well, I don't think anyone can do Phase 1 no-hit yet. It's way too RNG heavy. Wait, Lara Croft's actually going for it? No. Nah, there's no way. Like, I mean, I get they no-hit Delirium of Eons. That's impressive, but ULB's a completely different game. Like, imagine if Delirium of Eons was winning Click Team. No-hit would be impossible. He started? Oh. I did not know that. Well, I obviously wouldn't know it, would I? Well, I'm not saying that it's impossible, but I doubt that anyone can do it yet. Like, there's potential if new strats are discovered. But for now, it's just a dream. It's only theoretical. I mean, as nice as it would be, it's actually a... I don't know, would it be that big of an achievement to finally put the ULB trilogy to rest? Like, Phase 3 came first, then Phase 2. 2 days after, by the way. Then Mr. Chip tried for it, but the closest he got was like a -4. And ever since then, it's just stagnated. There's been nothing. What's up, Sonny? Talking of ULB 1, there's something that I've been willing to do for a while. Not related to that, of course. But similar to Oversave Tale, just a collection of different fights that I had in mind. I call it Sill's Collection of Things, or Scott. Well, not all bosses. I'm only doing Jevil so I can get the Jevil's tail to make Chapter 2 easier. I'm hoping I actually get a run past Jevil this time, because I haven't done so in ages. Just play it safe, play it safe. Don't go for 12 turn. I say that as I perform the most risky strats. Right, hearts, just completely ignore them. Or as much as you can, anyway. Clubs, this one's not too bad. Right, stay up for this one. Do I have 2 everymans? I have 2 everymans. Bollocks. Now I'm starting to think I'll never get this kind of run again. I got it so much more easily before, and I've only just returned to it now. Wow, that attack is longer than I remember it being.
Metamorphosis.
Fucking hell, dude. They only got 1 hit, but I'm not looking for that. I'm not looking for a -1 run. This is attempt 23 overall. And I'm still doing badly. That is way too fast for my liking. Okay. There is another idea I have in mind. But I don't think anyone's gonna like it. Okay, why did I start out thinking he was going to do stars first? Now it's stars. Alright, see you, Romney. Have fun. Have fun with your game. Okay, yeah. Wow, are we doing Grazeless as well? Okay then. I don't know why I defended for that one turn. No. Okay. We'll probably get 2 in a row if I do this right. No, no, don't try. Do not try grazing. I'm not even happy with that. So undeserved. Like, if I do the entirety of Chapter 2 without getting hit, I'm just gonna give up. I'm gonna get hit in Chapter 2 anyway. Was this a no-hit? No. No, it wasn't. This is depressing. Okay. Come on, you can do it. It's not that it's impossible, it's just really, really obnoxious. Like, for me, it may just be impossible to get again, because I've done this before. But that no longer exists. That's the only real reason why I'm doing this again. Well, it was never a file to begin with, anyway. It was a thing that never got archived. It was on my old channel, which is now gone. Honestly thinking of giving this up, because it takes me about half an hour to get here anyway, and chapter 2 is a cesspit. Like, main route or Snowgrave, it doesn't matter. I have a very high probability of getting hit. Like, I'd rather do Disbelief Papyrus phase 1 to 4 no hit. That would be worth it in the end, I think, because I actually get an achievement for that. Where I can't even no hit phase 2 or 3. I mean, I want to do a true 100% run. And I've got like 2 achievements left. One of them is the die at the end of phase 4. And the other is that one. But Disbelief Papyrus is... well, it's awful. I mean, it's probably archived somewhere on Bilibili, but I haven't been able to find anything. Dodge with Tetris block or Tetris block. That's what it looks like. Yeah, press Tetris to duck. Yeah? Yes? Yeah, I know. I'm busy at the moment. Oh. Oh, I forgot. I hate running this game. I really don't want to do this anymore. Right, over to game dev. Can't even update thumbnail. Cringe. Right, so see what I've got so far. This is what I've got. Just a plain scenery. And I've only just remembered that the colours on the bars are not always visible. Okay, I'm gonna look up Deltarune gameplay. No, let's look at No Hit Javel. Oh, I think just looking at the preview alone is enough. Yep. Yep, that's good. So I just need to draw a little small rectangle at the bottom. But what colour is that rectangle? That's the thing. I hate these stupid pop-ups. Well, I set up most of them. Mainly for Chris, anyway. I've done the other ones for Suze, Rousey, and Noelle. Right. Let me pick this colour. Maybe I need to go in a little bit further, because it's quite a small line. $40, $32, $49. $40, $32, $49. So let's just do that. $40, $32, $49. So at the base position of this bar, yes. Cool. Right. Let's go selection 0. Let's actually call it PMS for short. Right, so bar colour is white. So yeah, I think that's good enough. Oh, nope, that's health bar. Don't. Let's look at character menu again. Yeah, oh, I could have just picked the colour off of this. What was I doing that whole time? 51, 32, 50. 51, 32, 50. 51, 32, 50. There we are. Since that gets interpreted as true or false. Yep. Okay. Cool. We have a line going, but that's not enough. Instead, we're going to have to draw set color. Wait, what am I doing? I can just draw it out here. What am I doing? I mean, I was only just basing it off of an animation. What am I doing? Right, make color RGB. You know what, actually? So 51, 32, 50. Then set color to that. Draw rectangles. 330, no, 330 to 640, 332. False. So now we should have a normal can't even see it because everything else is overlaying it. mean, it could work in a way if... Oh, bollocks. This could work in a way. Yep, so Chris is selected, then Susie and Noelle. So we have a clean line there then. And we need to draw another one underneath. How big are these sprites again? 36. So we just draw another line underneath it. 66, 68. Okay, why is that yellow? Why is it yellow? No, I got hit to Jevil. And then I got hit to Sweet Cap and Cakes because I forgot what to do. Honestly hate running it, to be honest. Yeah, that looks good. Maybe if I shorten it just by 1 pixel. Is there a no? No, there is no noticeable cuts anywhere. That's good. I'm actually very happy with this. Now, one of the hardest parts. Working. Excuse me. Working on the menu. So all I have to do is just move this up a fraction. Up by 34, I think. Yeah, up by 34. So if I move that... Hang on. Hey, Ratch. Just working on my... You know what? Let me put some music up in the background. It's rather chilly out here. Let's put on the Lost Library theme. Yeah, Lost Library. It's kind of like Deltarune, I guess. Because it's like the piano from Castletown. Now we pray. Hook rate, fastest. Just so I can see this immediately when it pops up. There we go. Now, how are the things raised? I'm actually wondering. I guess we can just put a base in. Yeah. Base height 0. So base height, num, I guess. And then base height plus 10, plus 14, plus 8, plus 8, plus 29. plus 21. I am very thankful for learning mathematics. Okay, so if num is equal to PMS, then base height num equals, then we do a linear interpolation of 330. Wait, what? So that third minus 34, 296, and then 10%. Otherwise, we set it back to its original position. Yep, that works. Just so I can get a good understanding of what to do. Global PMS -1. Just for debugging purposes, I'm going to delete this after. Wait, what? Why didn't it work? Oh, it's because it... Okay. I forgot to change the arithmetic. Yep, there we go. Look at this. Ain't that the coolest thing I've ever seen? They could be a little bit faster though. So let's change the percentage. Say 20% on the way up and 30% on the way down. Yep, there we go. I actually really like this. And the health bar and everything moves as well, the way it's supposed to. Right, so then we want to draw the menu underneath the HP bar. Right, so now I want to make different stages. Right, don't touch. Well, I'm going to violate that order just a bit so I can actually do this. So battle order. So this is in the order of which I've said. So defend, act, mercy, item, and fight. Let's say battle order, don't touch. Right, and now for wave order. Oh, wather order. Wow. Wather odor. Wave order, don't touch. So wave order 0. Player. Then we have enemy target. Then we have enemy attack. Well, actually, no. Wave order 2 is board spawn. Then enemy attack, after it ends, goes to board remove. Now, because the player always attacks first. unless it's sans. So the player attacks first under normal circumstances, then it's the enemy target, and it's actually going to be modifiable as well, so anything can be done in what order. So we can actually have the board spawn first, which is going to be great for future Deltarune fan games. Enemy targeting, of course, that selects the random target to hit. Enemy attacks, just the standard bullet waves, and the board remove. Soul goes back into Chris, battle continues and loops around and you begin again. So yeah. I'm very happy with how I'm going to lay this out. This is actually kind of very similar to how the original Deltarune does it as well. Height for health bars. So base height norm, we'll say 350. Well, actually, no, we don't even need that because it's just a singular thing. Right, now onto the menu. This might be a little bit tricky to. Manual? No. Oh, I was checking up on Discord. Okay. Right, cool. So menu time now. Menu time. Okay. Right, I don't want to click on the wrong things. I don't want to give too much away about the idea I have. $16. We may as well put it at the top center. That'll work. Top center. Top center. Item. Excuse me again. Garlic bread is too powerful. Right, so we want to draw the menu. So we'll make a function draw party menu. Then we have the name of the party member. Actually, no, that's kind of unnecessary here. Well, actually, it is necessary. Right, we need a base position as well. So base position, boom. So we'll go back to member count. And then member. So it's the same way as we draw the health bar, but slightly different. Base position, let's say the very middle of the screen. Right. Let's make something as a debugging tool. What's a random word that I can use? Pants. Oh, this function's never called. Okay. Right. Draw party menu. let's say global PMS as well, because it's also going to rely on who's selected. Member count 3, member global PMS +1. It's kind of difficult to see, but that's because I haven't selected any fonts yet. Let's add some. FNT battle. And let's say Deltarune Sans. No, Determination Sans, not Deltarune Sans. Deltarune Sans no hit. Right. Set the colour to be yellow, because yellow's a good colour. We haven't selected the font. Why am I not selecting fonts? Right, now it should... Yeah, there we go. I think that's perfectly central. Let me add some lines to the side of it. Maybe a few more. Maybe one extra on the end for just for good measure. Yep, that looks just about central to me. Okay, now we have the base position for drawing the menu. Right, now we can get rid of this because we don't need it. Then start drawing the sprites. So we also need a menu selection sprite. Or no, not sprite. Thingy ding ding. Pingity ping ping mongity bong bong. Right. No, not ord. So left and right. So MMS. Right. This we do not need. We made that obsolete like 10 hours ago. Okay. Back to the menu. So if global party member num0 is equal to Chris, because only Chris can use act. All the others can use magic. Wait. Right, so that one can only be used for acting and magic. Draw sprite extension UI fight global MMS is equal to 0, which of course it's going to be.
Which of course it's going to be.
70. Nope, 68. Then 334. 1 1 0 1. Right, now we draw the act button. Only if it's for Chris, otherwise we are going to have to stick with magic. Because only Chris has the ability to use act. For some reason. Am I the only one who finds it weird that only Chris can use act? Then spare, then defend. Right, let's see how that looks. Oh, yes! Oh, baby! Oh, yes! Might be a little bit too low, though. and a little bit compact. You know what that means. It's time to experiment. Oh, I forgot to put this back up on here. Right. Separation. 34. Let's change that to 36 for now. Wait, there is actually an easier way of doing this. Yes, there is an easier way of doing it. And it's probably much better. What's the plot armor? What are you talking about, Sandy? Do I want to resort to using arrays for this thing? I mean, no, because that's only going to take up extra space. I'd much rather do it like this. So base pods, we can ignore that bit. Yeah. So change that to 36. The plot... Oh, the ability to act, okay. Yeah, that does make sense, actually. So say 333. Just initializing as many variables as I want to make it easier for me to edit things. Separate that from the rest. Yeah, I think that's good. Now it's just okay, I went out of range. Game crashed. Right. So, yep, now it's replaced with magic. Fabulous. So now we have a menu going. Wait a minute, hold on. There's something missing. Or rather, multiple things. I wonder if you can take a guess. In fact, there are 4 different things missing from this, not including characters or enemies. I'll give you a little hint. One of them requires you to use the act to use it. No moving lights. See, I knew someone was going to get that. Yep, there's no moving matrix in the background. And there's no text, and there's no tension bar. And plus, it's impossible to do anything because we haven't programmed anything yet. So that means we're gonna have to code it all. Hey, at least it's progress. It's progress. Right, how big is this character menu thing usually? Again, 36. So now we just need matrix. We'll make it 2 by 51 pixels. Is it 51? Nope, it's 36. Let's make it white so we can change the colour of it when we need to. And middle centre. So yeah. How many lines are there usually? There's about 4, isn't there, or 3? The amount doesn't really matter though. Ugh. Matrix 0. So draw sprite extension. Hold on a second. Ooh, that's not going to work out though, is it? Looking through the... I mean, they kind of take from the Discord emojis. Who knew that YouTube was actually the counter for plagiarism? Right. So we want matrix. Then we want sub-image of 0. Base position plus 33 times I plus matrix. And of course matrix is going to be incremented forever. Base height, so 330, 1, 1, 0. There's a problem. How are we going to know what colour to use? Unless I draw these behind the thing, but that's going to require more work. I mean, I could always just copy and paste it back here and remove these extra lines. And also, because I love to be nitpicky, or rather, someone loves to be nitpicky. No, what am I doing? I'm not meant to be erasing that line. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Bomb, bomb, bomb. Yeah, this probably isn't the most efficient way to code something, but it's the best I can come up with. So, once 1 minus matrix divided by 33. Actually, no. Watching me code is relaxing and enjoyable. Thank you. I actually never saw any therapeutic properties in it. Just times I times 33. Yeah. Yep. Right. So that should draw the line on the left. Okay. I completely forgot. the thing is in the very middle of it. So that's not going to work out well. Let's go 355. No, still a little bit too low. 350? Ooh. No. Still not good enough. 348? Actually, plus one. Plus one. Then we also have to do it the other way around as well. So that counts. Yep. Okay, so we got that figured out. Ooh, but what about the menu? I mean, it doesn't really matter though, does it? Wait, I have an idea. Instead of moving that forward, why don't I move this back? Yeah. Yeah, that works. Well, it's snowing outside, so... No. Hey, Sama. Okay. Let's see here. Minus 93, because we want to... Wait, what am I doing? Where... Is the code still in... It's still in here. What about 107? Yep, right, now we just need... Oh, hang on. That's 107. Minus 1. Minus 33. Minus matrix. It's almost as if it's gone the other way around. Okay. So let's go matrix plus 2. Because the lines move quite fast. Oh, okay. So matrix equals matrix modulo 33. There we are, we have moving lines. There's another problem though. There's no static lines at the edges. You know what that means. I need more Scooby Snacks! Oh, whoops, that's not what I meant to do.
Oh, that's not what I meant to do.
It looks weird. In what way? Polar bears exist in pepperonis. What? Yeah, I'd say that's good for now. Like, if I do this really fast, you can't really tell because it only focuses on the current one. Right, moving lines, and now we just have to do the little, the overlaying one at the top. So then, move this underneath here. Whoops. Base pos plus, how big is this? I mean, how wide is the sprite? 212. 212? Man, that's mad. Right, so now we should have the static thing at the top. Ooh, or not. Maybe if I move this underneath? Move it below everything? Just so I can get the rectangle to spawn. Oh god, that looks weird. No. Alright, yeah. Maybe not, though. Much better. That is so much better. You can actually see the... Oh, wrong direction. Game crash. Okay, let's review the gameplay that I've looked up previously. Jevil no hit. Well, actually, that isn't going to work well enough, isn't it? No hit chaser. Merg. Yeah, I can see what you mean there. There's actually a lot more matrix lines. But how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4? There are 4 lines? And have them closer together. So if we divide the distance by 2, that should put it very similar to Chaser. Oh god, that looks weird. Okay, that doesn't look right at all. Okay. So matrix sep. Divided by matrix sep times 3. And then matrix sep times 3. Yeah, that just looks weird. You know, actually, let's do it this way. $100 divided by matrix lines using math. Okay, that doesn't look really good. Really good either. Now, Sandy, that's a really good suggestion. Putting more of them in there and making them closer together. But for some reason, it just doesn't want to cooperate. So say compact 1.5. So divided by matrix compact. Whoops. That doesn't look right either. Okay, maybe I'm overcomplicating it. Right, let's go back to where we were. Right, new approach. Use the division, but across a wider field. That should work. No. Wait, what's going on here? Why are the ones to the right moving to the right? The ones on the left work fine. It's just the ones on the right. Something's not right. Right, so something's gone wrong here. Can we divide by negative numbers? We can, but that doesn't solve this issue. There's only one line here, and it's just constantly warping back and forth. Oh, I know what went wrong. Wasn't doing that correctly. There we go. And it's also fully customizable as well. So I can change the distance between each one. Oh wow. Oh, that actually looks really neat. Oh wow, I actually really love this. Right, now let's experiment with it. So if I do 2 and then 7. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. If I change the compactness back to normal. Oh, yeah. There's just one problem. Only 3 of them are visible at any given time, not 7. But I mean, I guess that actually helps in a way. I guess. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at it. I'll have to look at it. Matrix separation times 3. You know, it honestly doesn't really matter too much. I don't think. Because as long as there are lines visible and it actually looks cool, that's fine. As long as it looks cool. And the menu perfectly fits. Like, you probably can't even see it, but the top and the bottom gaps are the same. They're so perfect with each other. Right, let's look back to No Hit Chaser, and because I'm actually have a feeling I have something wrong here. No, nothing wrong at all. Okay. Now for the tension bar. Before we start working on the characters. Thankfully though, the tension bar is probably the easiest part of this whole thing. It's really just a bunch of sprites. So, hold on. Let's look at the layout again. Right, No Hit Chaser. Let's go back to that. So, TP, it's drawn very far to the left. So let's draw the tension bar side first. I might shade it a little bit because I don't know, I just have a thing for things looking plain. It just doesn't look right to me. So I might shade that in my fan game. So let's say 10-ish, then 80, 1 1 0 C white 1. Yep, I'd say that looks about right. Let's look again. Yep. This is perfect. First try as well. And then we have the tension bar base, as I call it. So tension bar side, so that's 22. So we add about... So if it's drawn... So 44. Let's draw it at 44. And we draw it slightly higher up. Yup. So what about the oh wait, no, the percentage goes underneath the number. I was thinking when you put the percentage, it goes underneath the number. Right, now to have a little bit of fun. So draw sprite par extension. So we'll draw the fill. Now Toby actually drew this using rectangles. That's why there's a little bit of a skinny thing. Yeah, there's no number yet. So the top, say 187. Minus... minus 187 times global tension points divided by 100. It's just so it knows where to draw it at. The width... Wait.
No!
I drew it on the stupid thing. Right. 19. So 19 here. And then height, 187. 1. So if my hunch is right, that should draw perfectly. Right. Keyboard, check. Ord, W. We're going to use WASD controls. Woohoo! Say plus 0.1, because of course we're going to do it in increments. And we're also going to check if it goes into the negatives as well. So hold W and... oh god, that looks weird. Ooh, hold on. Plus texture height. Woo! Look at that! We have tension! And it actually looks better as well because there's no triangles at the edges. Oh, okay, that can happen, but we're going to prevent that. Oh wait, can it go into the negatives? Will it actually draw weirdly if it goes to negative TP? No, it won't. Alright, cool. Amazing. So let's watch it fill up all the way. Right. So tension points. Of course we're going to clamp that to 0 and 100. Before we even draw it, so that no egregious errors can be seen. Yeah. Fabulous. We have toilet paper. I mean, tension points. Toilet paper. Right. Now we just need the percentage thing. There has to be a separate font for that, surely. There has to be a separate font. Deltarune Chaser. Let's go Chaser. Because that uses a lot less code than Deltarune. Ooh, Is there a percentage sprite in here that I can use? Or rather reconstruct? Yeah, oh, the TP percent sign is actually its own sprite. Huh. Okay. Well, I'll take that then. It's a tension bar percent. It's likely from a font, but I cannot find it. I don't even know what font it even is just by looking at it. Unless it's actually in the game's files for Deltarune. Yeah, I don't think anyone can tell what font this even is. If it even is one. It's not Datumchi. Oh, it's from the Deltarune font. Okay, so we don't even need it. Boink! Okay, well, now we know what's going on. Of course, because we need to draw the number anyway. Right, so draw, set font, FNT, battle. So variable HA, then after that we set it back. Actually, no. Would it be FA right? I think it would be. Right, draw set. No, not draw set. Right, draw text. Below tension bar side. 20. No, 18. No. No more guessing. Right, 36. That's what we're going for. 36. Been 110, then global tension points times 100. Well, actually, no, we don't even need to do that because tension point is already from 0 to 100 anyway. We just need to floor it. Oh, okay. Wait, not tension point, tension points. We need to convert that to a string as well, otherwise the game will crash. Not only can I not see that, but it also looks rather weird. Right. Draw set color. See white. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Ooh, okay, that's a bit strange. Change that to 115. And boom. That looks good. Right, so we also want it to draw the word max when it gets to 100. But now to draw the symbol below it, which is the percentage sign. Boop. Hey, Master Attack. How are you doing? That's a bit compact, really, isn't it? Yeah, I might want to centralize that text. Yeah, center. Ugh, not there. Maybe one more pixel to the left. Perfect. Woohoo! We can actually fit the number 100 in there. If we fit it one pixel to the left again. Will the engine be public? That's the hope. That's the hope. But I kind of want to make something with it first before I publish it. So, because I have an idea in mind. Right, so when it gets to 100... Okay, so... If global tension points is under 100... Else... We then set the colour to yellow... And then we draw A. No, no.
No! Don't do that! No!
Right. Sorry. I'm going a bit crazy at this. Right. Say like that. So what does it look like now? Cramped, that's what it looks like. So 6 and 38. I mean, there are some that exist already, but they're not public. Right, let's see now. Nope. What does it look like when you have max TP in Chaser? It's probably... Oh, it just gets rid of the percentage outright. Oh, sorry, I don't even, like... God damn it. Right, so then we can just do that. And, yeah, so this, and this. I don't know if that's going to look any good. Oh, almost there. Almost there on the first try. Nah, the word max is actually more compact than this. I guess that as well, thank you. You know what, let's turn this white so we can actually change the image blend of it. So global tension points is under 100. So C, orange, otherwise we go yellow. Does it actually turn yellow? It does actually turn yellow. Right, I just had to fact check it. So I just wasn't sure. Stop opening the Game Maker manual. Woohoo! I think that looks perfect. And then of course I have to worry about the overlays later when you use spells, but I think that's okay for now. I guess I can add a separate variable for temporary TP. No, I think it looks that orange anyway. It doesn't really matter as long as it's orange. It doesn't really matter. Yep, cool. All right, now to work on character animations. Well, no, not character animations, the characters themselves. So now we'll draw a party member. So, draw party member. Yeah, we can modify this later. Mem. And I guess also member count as well, because that also counts as well. So where does Susie get spawned then? She must get spawned like 140 or something. Right, if little party member mem is 0 is equal to Chris, then we just do all these sprites. Okay, so act sprite is, well, wait, actually no, we don't even need to do the check thing. So their member name equals global party member mem 0, because that's where the name is stored. So asset get index member name. It's much cleaner than just pasting the same thing a billion times, which is what you would do if you were doing it the old-fashioned way. So we got act. We're missing the attack sprite. So act, attack, defend, hit. Actually, no. Defeat sprite. Hit sprite. Idle sprite. And then item sprite. And there's also the victory sprite as well. And then we just change the names on the end. Attack. No, not attackle. Defend. Down. Hurt. Idle. Item. Victory. I think that's good. Right, so now we just draw the members exactly where we want them. So draw sprite, extend. Oh, okay, that's going to be a bit tricky actually, because wait, have I got array entries for their actions? Yes, I do. Right, so mem current sprite equals let's make a dummy sprite for this sort of thing. Error. And it's just going to be like a red error. I think that looks kind of funny. Hey, tomatoes are weird. I kind of agree with that statement. Right, so current sprite is equal to error. So if the member is set to act, ooh, actually, I think instead of several if checks, we should do switch statements. So, case act, current sprite is equal to act sprite, and then break. God, switch statements are a save in this. Right, so act, attack, defend, down, hurt, idle, item, victory. Fight. Defend, down, hit, idle, item, and then victory. So attack, defend, defeat, hit, idle, item, and victory. So now we draw the current sprite. And I guess, does it really matter what the heck? I guess we can use a frame rule for the animations. Because it's much better than just using an object. Because they all have different acting animations. Oh, and there's also pre-spell. Actually... Okay, I think I'll use objects for this instead. Maybe that's not the right way to do it in here. Yeah, because then we can just use this in whatever we like here. So draw party member 0 and 3. We could change it to get party member sprite, then return current sprite. So yeah, sprite index, and then draw self. Right, room. No, don't drag it out. I hate it when this happens. Right, party member. Let's put error here. Yep, so just a regular error shows up. Oh, that's not what we want, it's what we get so far. No, we'll go default for this one. Ah, there's Chris. Right. So now we just need to... No, not image index. Image X scale 2. And image Y scale 2. No, stop dragging the room out to another window. Alright, I think that's good. Now to just drag it back a little. Maybe not too far, otherwise that's not where I want it. I mean, this is kind of loyal to the original game. Actually, no, I think Chris usually is lower down. Ooh, maybe in a solo battle that could work. Actually, no. Instead of using this to get. So for every party member that's initialized, to say init false, and so if init true, right? Let's look at this. So Ralsei is the lowest, while Chris is the highest in terms of position. Let's look at triple Jevil just for a good sense. Yeah, Chris is typically below the percentage sign. And Ralsei is just above the health bars. So for their I is 0, I is under 3, I plus plus. So we have members 0 and what was the X again? Right, now that should be enough. So yeah, we'll just use the same I from earlier on. So I plus 1, and members. No, not equal 1, plus 1. Right, and there's nothing. Maybe move the background scenery just a tad back, about 15 depth. Why are there 3 Chris's? Why are there 3 Chris's? I did not ask for this. Right, so let's give these party members an ID. Oh, hold on. No, I think a global variable could work here. Yeah, global members. Do not overwrite my code. Insert, please. Members not set for reading it, so I've obviously not changed something. Yep, I haven't changed these. Okay, that's better, but it's not perfect. For one thing, there are still 3 Chris's, and for one, their foot is literally on their face. member. So member ID is I. So now we should have... Yeah, look at that! But it's still not perfect. So yeah, Susie's axe is literally on top of the tension bar. So maybe displace it just a little. No, not. Let's not use a signer thing there. Sin I times 20. Actually, let's go 30. Let's go 30. That's not very much good either. Alright, that's a better one. That's a lot better. So now we have Chris, Susie, and Noelle. Now I wonder... So we still have the menu to work on, but what about the enemy? Well, the enemy actually is rather very simple. It's just a matter of working it the same way that I did in my How to Make an Undertale fan game. So 300 HP, and my max HP is 300. Okay. Where is the pivot point in the center? So we have to do the enemies in the same way that the party members are drawn. It's a name there. Attack 4, defense 0. We haven't initialized it yet. If we draw the thing around here. You know, let's draw 3 enemies, because it's just going to be easier at the end of the day. At the end of the day, it's going to be easier. It's enemy ID. $5.12, no, $5.40, no, $5.20, yes. Okay, they're slightly misplaced. But it's not fret, there's actually a very easy way to fix it. I'd say that's better. Because they're going to be anchor pointed from the bottom anyway. So I'm just referencing the Sweet Cap and Cakes battle along with the Hathies. So yeah, that's a very good basis to work from. That is a really good basis. Yeah. Right, now to just focus on getting a menu sorted. Well, the menu sorted, as well as the animations for the characters. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Wait, where am I on enemy? There we go. So, is there such a thing as image count? This might be a bit tough. And let's look at the animation numbers for every single party member. So that's 5. That's also 5. What about Rousey? Rousey has 7. But he only ever needs 5. What about Susie? Susie only has 4. Let's make that 5. Whoa, that zips by at an alarming rate. I was not intending for that. Yeah. Right, what about attacking? Noelle has 4. Chris has 7. Wait, hold on a second. I'm looking in respect to... I'm forgetting about 0, so there's... Yeah, so... No, Chris actually has 8. So it's just a matter of copying a bunch of sprites. Unless I... Oh, I don't even have to copy and paste it. Yeah, that's perfect. Well, but what about Rousey? Rousey has 7. Defending, yep. Act. There's something very unsettling about this sprite. So yeah, acting. I think the act thing is okay. So back to attacking. Yeah, Susie actually has 5, but we can make that 8. So now Noelle has 8, Chris has 8. What about acting? So Chris has 11, Noelle has 12. Ralsei has 13. So we can just get rid of that frame, because we don't even need it. Susie has 10. And what about defense? Chris has 6. Noelle has 6. Ralsei has 6. And Susie has 6. Wait, is this the same frame copy pasted? It is the same frame, just copy pasted. Down is only 1 frame, so is getting hit. Idle is fine, we can leave this alone. Into battle's fine, I think. Item... Noelle has 10. Ralsei has 7. And Susie has 7 as well. And magic. We don't have to worry about that for Chris, because they can't do magic. So 9. 11. Go back to magic. Yep, this one has 9 as well. Why is this so sped up? Yeah, getting hurt is fine for that sprite. Rube Buster is different. Yeah. I think we'll cross that bridge when we come to it, because there aren't really any, Wait, no, I know a way to queue for animations. It doesn't even have to involve, image speed at all. But no, this is fine so far. I'm actually loving it. And it crashed. Right. I'll be right back. Right. I have Ziturned with a Kit Kat. Right. Okay. Now we have to sort out menu. I think I know how to handle this. Because each of the party members has their own menu selection. Wait, no, we don't even need that. We don't need to have them separate. So now let's actually try and gain control without actually having any control. Right, PMS. So party menu. PMS +1. Global PMS is equal to people members. Then of course we set that back to 0. Epic Games, I don't care if there's a Rocket League event going on right now. So, current wave, player. So, party HP bar. The current wave is equal to player. So global party member. Then we set the current wave to bollocks. I forgot. Yeah, player events. Yeah, player events. Oh, whoops. That's not what I wanted to do.
Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do.
Why am I making these noises? It's just plain silly. If keyboard check pressed, board X, or keyboard check pressed, VK R shift.
No, 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 no.
Global PMS is over 0. Then, Right, global party member num 0. No, num 5 equals switch statement. Switch global MMS. Case 0. Fight. Act. Item, mercy, defend. Yup. -5. Case 1. Wait, what am I doing? No, it's okay. Alright then. -1. Oh. What on earth is Chris attacking? Oh, that's why it was set to 30 FPS. Why are they all set to 30? Defend, down, hurt, idle, into battle, item, magic, victory, act, attack, defend, idle, into battle, item, magic, victory. Now for Susie, check over all of these and make sure they line up. They do indeed. Fabulous. For some reason Chris attacks out of turn, and so does Susie. And so does Noelle. I mean, at least the animations work. Yep, so now none of them have the thing. Okay, so nothing stops them from attacking or doing anything out of turn. So defense, defense. Yeah. So now I can go back and change what's going on. Yeah. So I've got that part figured out. Now for the last thing I'll do tonight on this engine, the bullet board. Yay! So yep, it's around a central point. So as soon as it generates, that's when it changes to that. And then image angle, we'll just lerp it from that to 180 because it actually I don't know. It spins when it comes in. Yeah. So if image angle is not equal to 180, then we create the soul. Woohoo! Soul. Of course, it's white for multi-compatibility across multiple modes. Now we just need the bullet board corners. So board corners 0 is x minus 75. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, hold on. I just realised, is there such a thing as a collision rectangle that is rotated? Ooh, yeah, that could work actually, yeah. Length dirx 45, no, not 45, 75 to 45, there we go. Oh jeez, this is gonna be a pain. Yeah. What happened? Oh, I've minimized that. Right, so now let's try this. And the soul can't really do anything. Okay. Maybe a little something like this could do. So let's go 16, 16, 133, 133. Can't even see what's going on here. If not, place meeting obj board xy. No, we did the wrong way round. No, I've used objects I shouldn't really use because they're things that contradict themselves. Okay. Okay, maybe change these back. And the soul just doesn't just appear. Comes out of Chris first. I don't know, that's a little bit wonky. I mean, it works, sure, but it's not good. Okay. Whoops. Okay, that's better, but it. Oh wait, why can't I go down? Oh, it's because. Okay. No, 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 no. No, that's okay, I think. We could still do a little bit better. There we go. I think that's good. Woo. Okay. Well, I think that'll do for now. I think I'm gonna go play some Teardown now. Yeah. Anyway, we're already halfway through making the engine. Hopefully it won't be long before the whole thing's finished. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. And Rise for moderating. Thank you very much for that. I'll see you tomorrow. Maybe. Depends.